Embark on a journey of curiosity with us. What fascinating questions are we exploring today?
A USB Type-C port is a compact and reversible connector for charging and data transfer, designed to replace various USB-B and USB-A ports and cables. Its most prominent feature is its universal compatibility and ability to support faster power delivery and quicker data transfer rates. This means you can use a single cable to charge your devices, transfer data, and even connect external monitors, making it incredibly versatile and convenient for everyday use.
Another mystery solved, but many more await. Keep up with our daily discoveries by subscribing and turning on notifications.